If your fence gate latch is broken or missing, it can totally mess with your yard's security and curb appeal, so fixing or replacing that latch hardware is key to keeping things tight and looking good. Okay, so first off, you want to figure out what kind of latch you had before, or what style fits your fence best, like a simple slide bolt or maybe a more decorative latch. Next, measure the spot where the latch goes to make sure the new one fits just right. Nothing worse than trying to force a latch that's too big or small. When you get your new latch, check if you need basic tools like a screwdriver, drill, or screws. Usually, most latches come with what you need. Take off any old hardware and clean the area so the new latch can sit flush and work smooth. Line up the new latch, mark where the screws go, then drill pilot holes if you can. This helps avoid splitting the wood or bending metal. Screw the new latch in tight, but don't overdo it since stripping screws is a pain. Test the latch a few times to make sure it locks and unlocks without sticking or wobbling. If your fence is super old or warped, sometimes adjusting hinges or sanding down the gate edge helps the latch fit better and last longer. One of the most common mistakes when replacing fence gate latch hardware is picking the wrong type of latch for your gate style or material. Fix this by double-checking compatibility before buying. Another issue is not measuring properly, which leads to ill-fitting latches that either won't close or cause damage. Always measure twice, buy once. Lastly, ignoring the condition of the gate itself can mess things up. If the gate is sagging or damaged, just putting on a new latch won't help. You might need to fix or reinforce the gate first for the latch to work right. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff about fence repairs and installations. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to find steady work from people who need their skills without all the hassle of marketing themselves.